surprise your mother this Mother's Day. In this video, I'm going to be showing 2 easy floral arrangements to do just that. Hi, this is Ejiro of Ejiro Celebrations of Floral and Event Design Company, where we plan to help you decorate and design the event of your dreams. Our mothers are very special to us, and every year we try to spoil and treat them. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an easy floral arrangement using store-bought flowers to do just that. Items you will need for these floral arrangements are your vessels. The first one is your vase, whatever vase you have. This is from the Dollar Tree. And then for the second arrangement, I am using a cloche from Michael's. You can also get it from Amazon, I believe. And then of course your store-bought flowers. I got this from Kroger and Costco. So you have your roses, your cresspedia. I have also some sunflowers here, and this purple flower, if you know the name, please let me know in the comments below, also from Costco. You would need greenery of different kinds. It doesn't matter the kind, whatever you like or whatever you can find, also just to act as your base. You also need, of course, scissors. Any scissors you have at home is fine, or if you have a floral scissors, that works well. Hot glue gun and a floral foam. So I've gone ahead to already pre-soak my floral foam, and I've gotten a piece and glued it onto my cloche base. So let's get started. Okay, so one quick tip to get your flowers ready when you get it from the store. Most times when they come with leaves. Since we'll not be using the leaves from the store brand for this arrangement, you can go ahead and have it removed. Just like that. And then I always cut the tip in an angle so that it can soak up some more flowers apart from when I got it, okay? That's a quick tip on how to process your flowers before you use them. These are already pre-processed. So I'm going to start with my base. I'm going to start with my greenery first. There's no wrong or right answer with flowers. You just keep doing it. Okay.
You did too much, because that's not going to come. There's a rose on the other side. On the other side, there's a rose.
Okay, plan B, let's see.
Don't forget the other side.
My side?
Yeah. Like the other side.
Sticking out on your side.
There's a what? A flower? You're crushing it in the front. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is one. So this is it. So now we've come up with 2 surprise flower arrangements for our mom that will sure to wow her and make her happy with you. Now the first arrangement was with a clutch, and this is it up close. And then the second arrangement was with whatever flowers were left and with a vase you have at home. So why not give your mom two flower arrangements? So a number of you would have seen as I was doing the flower arrangements that the petals from the flowers, from the rose flowers, kept falling. So this is a bonus tip right now. If you have quite a lot of petals, like we have here, falling, instead of throwing it away, do a nice dinner setting for your mom or lunch setting with the flowers around. You can get a candle, a votive candle, and just have the flowers around it, or a vase and a floating candle. Depending on how many flowers you have, just put it around the table setting nicely. Instead of throwing it away, she will appreciate it and you'll bring that special touch because you already have the flowers. Another thing we could do is you could put the flowers in the vase, some of the flowers into the vase, pour some water, and put your floating candle in it. So here you have 2 options. Put your flowers around it. Okay, and then with these other ones that you can put into the centerpiece, it can be put on her plate setting for dinner or for lunch, or even in between your candles, whichever works for you. Okay, so nothing is wasted in this arrangement. So let's go ahead and surprise our mother this Mother's Day and make it very, very special. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Thank you so much for watching this channel. If you found this useful, please click the like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe. Thank you and enjoy your day to all the mothers.